Have you ever wondered what the ultimate Disney Springs date night is? Well, we're about to show you.
From shopping to ultimate dining to live music, we're about to have the best night.
Yes, we have one of the most hard to get reservations in all of Disney Springs, in all of Disney World. We're about to eat at Homecomin, and we're topping the night off with Dreams That Soar, Disney's brand new drone show. So, what are we waiting for?
Nothing. Let's do it.
Sir, I think you need a new hat. It's very crusty and old looking, and it's cemented. I think you need a new hat, especially with the sun. Can we go? Can we go and roll the Disney Cup?
Yeah.
There might be one or two things that I would like to look at. Yeah.
Guys, I think I'm in trouble, or at least my wallet is. What do you got?
Nothing.
That's right, nothing.
Do you want
Put it
that
back.
or do you want it?
Pull it back. That's not where he goes.
Okay.
Looks like she got something. What'd you get, Amberlyn?
Tiny Lotso. And you would only let me get one.
Yeah, because they're expensive.
I know.
And she got...
It's Jack.
It's Jack. I couldn't even tell what it was.
I'm not disappointed.
All right, we've done our shopping. Now it's time for Homecomin. Let's go eat. All right, we just got seated, and I think we got the best view of the house. I mean, absolutely amazing. I am so excited. We just got our drink, or we just ordered our drinks. I can't wait for them to come.
So what we have here is the Hummingbird. This is banana cream rum, vanilla bean rum, muddled pineapple, blueberry and pineapple purees, and it's also served with the signature Hummingbird cake pop. Ew. Wow. There's a lot going on with the flavor as well. Oh my gosh. Just pure fruits.
Tastes good?
Yeah, banana and vanilla and it is a yummy thing.
All right, and I had to get the moonshine. They're famous for their moonshine. I got the fruit punch one. I can't remember what's in it, and she took away her menu, but let's try it. She said, she warned me it was cherry forward, but I like cherry flavored things. Very strong, but it's good. I like it a lot. Oh, I remember blackberry brandy, and that's coming out. I can taste that. And the rest I don't remember, but it's very, very good.
These are the Yum-Num Hush Puppies from the starter portion of the menu.
Is it a good hush puppy?
Yeah. Oh, it's good. It would be good on its own without these.
All right, so I had to get the fried chicken. It's the most quintessential Homecomin. Everybody talks about the fried chicken at Homecomin, so it's like piping hot, like burn your fingers hot. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god, it's so good. That was the best fried chicken I've ever had. And we got the cheddar biscuits. Excellent as well. Top it off with some creamy mashed potatoes. Those are good. Amazing. Amazing.
We have fried chicken, but in salad form, because it's hot out, and I was really looking for something refreshing. But I saw fried chicken, and I had to try it, you know? Oh my lord, that's good chicken. Wow. Wow. That's incredible. This is the best salad I've ever had. And I've had lots of salad. Get the camera out of my face so we can eat.
So, I don't know about you, but I feel like a stuffed
Yeah.
balloon.
You could roll me down into the water and I would just float away.
I said to Amberlyn that I feel like a turkey that's been baking in the oven all day, aka the Florida sun.
Yeah.
And then they stuffed me full of food.
Yeah.
That's
Now we know how the turkey
basically,
feels.
Yeah. But anyways, Homecomin, that was the best meal I've ever had on property. I'll say it right now, I'm not mad about it. I'm not sad about it. I'm not, you can take it how it is.
We
That is
now understand the hype.
best.
It's
Yeah.
real.
there's a reason that you can never get a reservation for it. So, yeah.
Another great thing about Disney Springs is that there is no shortage of entertainment. Right now, we're watching a man who is crazy good at playing the harp.
All right, so we're getting in line for the drone show early because all the cast members said we should, and yeah, so it's an hour early, but
The line is long.
the line is long, and I'm excited.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Thoughts on Disney Dreams at Soar? What'd you think?
That was a lot. There was a lot going on with it, and I don't know what I was expecting, but that soared above and beyond.
Like, yeah, like for a little 8-minute show, that blew my mind. Almost like emotional at some points. Like,
It was incredible. It was
Just-
over way too soon.
But now it is cookie time, and this cookie in particular is the size of my head, or close enough. The cookie I picked out was the lemon cookie because I'm a lemon fan. Yeah, that is very much a lemon cookie. It's very heavy, but like moist.
all right, now it's time for the chocolate chip. It's sizable. It's comparable to a lot of other cookie
My
places.
cookie's bigger than yours.
It is, but mine is thicker. It's a solid chocolate chip cookie. It's perfect balance of like, some people like a more crisp cookie, and some like a softer cookie. This is right in the middle. Yeah, phenomenal chocolate chip cookie. Man, Disney Springs is such a vibe at night. Usually there's not as many people here, but with the drone show and it being a weekend, it kind of explains all the people. Where are you going? You looking for drones? Okay, she's lost it. We've had a long night of food and fun. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you got some inspiration for your next date night with your loved one, whoever it is. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, I've been Cal,
I've been Amberlyn,
and you've been watching
the Adventure Gateway.